Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the playback speed while editing in DaVinci Resolve 21. So it's really quick and really easy. There are three keyboard shortcuts that you should get to know. And these are pretty simple to learn. These are the J, K, and L keys, and I'll show you what each does in a minute. So this is a really useful technique to be familiar with if you're working on videos and you want to save time by being able to scrub through the video, but don't want to have to go to click through the timeline over and over again. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and tap L on your keyboard and see what that does. As you can see, it's a bit fast. If I tap it multiple times, maybe twice, as you can see, it's playing through even faster. So L is sort of like the fast forward button, and you can guess what K does based from that. It's just going to simply stop the video. So L, K, and then J, since it's pointing towards the left, we can guess that this is the rewind button. And it functions in pretty much the same way. You can tap it once to rewind, it twice, and even more times to increase the speed further. If you want to slow things down, you can also hold shift and then press K. And as you can see, that slows down playback. Now, doing so will follow the direction of the last uh, playback you've played. So if you play it forward, it's going to slow down in the forward direction. And if you went backward, it's going to slow down in the reverse direction. So these are really handy keyboard shortcuts to be familiar with because they can save you a whole lot of time, especially if you have to go through hours and hours of footage. Instead of having to manually move around with your mouse on your timeline, you can just use these three keys. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.